stand off a bit.
When the fuck's it gonna do it?
Takes a while. Just gonna film it for absolutely
You
ages.
don't video well wrong there.
Right.
You can trim it.
You can trim it.
I can't actually.
Tom can. Oh, there we go. It's getting to fucking Galileo.
Galileo.
Does it just pop?
Depends.
It should pop and gas will explode and it'll lit flame and it'll go up.
When we did it, it like came out really slow, didn't it?
It's near. It's near.
Still doing it.
Wait, it might pop.
Made me jump that little thing, man. Let him burn to end.
God, it's lighter tricks. You should have filmed Flint, Von. Right, that's it, boys. It's gonna burn now. Right.